All right, we're walking. Look at this place. Some pretty big rocks. Okay, Riley, come on. The puppies are happy to get to the beach. And it's very windy, so hopefully you can even hear anything.
They get sand in their eyes.
Just keep sneezing.
Yeah, the sand's blowing off here so bad they're getting sand in their eyes, I think. Or up their nose, probably both.
Probably both.
That bird is loud, man.
Where is it?
I don't know.
Oh, he's on the rock.
Oh, wow.
Feels like he's right above our head.
Right?
Oh, you're gonna let him get wet?
Nope. Hi, baby. Hi, guys.
Just means another bath.
I don't want to do
And
that.
a wet car on the way home.
He can have wet paws, that's it.
You guys
When I say
like
wet
it?
paws, I mean as wet as they are right now. I don't want him to get wet today. Here. There you go.
It's so windy today, but it's so nice.
Come on,
It
buddy.
feels cool and lovely.
Yeah, it does.
Oh my gosh, that cutie.
Hi, guys. Hi. You forgot I was here? Yeah? Okay. Hi, Riley.
Come on.
Look at that face. That's my favorite face ever. Hi, guys.
That's cool.
Yeah.
A little windy, huh?